don't know what that is, bro. You hurt, though.
Do you like me?
Huh?
Do you like me?
I don't even know you. I rate the outfit of what you got on today, though. You got a nice outfit, can't lie. Yeah. You got a beautiful laugh.
What?
You got a beautiful laugh as well.
Who, me?
Yeah, yeah.
I got a beautiful what?
Laugh. Whoa. Hey, step back, cuz. Hey, what are you doing, bro? Hey, what is this lady doing? What the fuck? Let me tell you, for any reason you gotta go outside, man, be careful. It's slippery. Man, I fell a little bit ago. I mean, damn. But yeah, be careful out there.
Yo, kitty little, you probably need to go take a bath. No, you did not. No, I know you. Oh no, you didn't open up a can of worms. Now wash. Whoa, wait, can't believe you put your balls on me. Boy, you in trouble. You in so much trouble. Wait till I start running. I'm gonna whoop you. I'm gonna whoop you, man. I can't believe you put your balls on me. I can't believe.
I want some cheeseburgers too.
What does the squirrel say?
Get. Hug it.
Is for his brother Islam Akasha. What a moment for the squad. Oscar here as well.
And says that being a housewife is easy and that he can do it with his eyes closed. He says I do a terrible job because I have dirty laundry around the house and sometimes dinner isn't ready, so I stepped it up.
Okay, so if I don't put down this shopping cart, you're gonna call.
Let the cart go to me, or I call him.
Wait, so if I don't put down this shopping cart, you're gonna call the police
Yes,
on
I
me?
will.
Oh my god, I'm getting the first Karen interaction. I'm getting my first Karen interaction, bro. I'm getting my first Karen. Yes, it finally happened. Ah!
Let the cart go, or I call him.
Yo estoy puesta pa' ti, tú te me quitas. Diablo, que piquete la chamaquita.
What's wrong with this world?
Right? It's a lie.
Sam.
Origami keeps my hands busy and my mind off sex. There we go. I made a swan. Doing a good lead.
One thing about me is that when I was yesterday, my aunt invited everyone for Thanksgiving dinner. We said, okay, Aunt, let's get on a plane and fly across the country to eat at your house. We spent the night. The very next morning, my aunt makes the bold, creative decision on Thanksgiving morning with all of our family there to do this thing called dying. What she died on Thanksgiving morning, we had a body on our hands, and then like everyone was grieving. It was kind of uncomfortable, but you know what? That's how it was. We called a nurse in to confirm that she was dead. The nurse said, yep, she's dead. We said we kind of already knew that. Your job seems kind of bureaucratic, besides the point. The nurse was like, you need to get this body out of here. We said, okay. She gave us a number to call. We called. We said, hi, we have a body. Can you pick it up? They go, it's Thanksgiving. Kind of inconsiderate. Pulled us away from our families on the holiday. Okay, what do we do? They said, we'll come in a bit, but we can't be quick. So we just kind of waited. Tried to figure out, should we celebrate the holiday and eat a big dinner? Well, we brought the food, so the answer was yes. We made some pies, and all the while, my aunt was in the bedroom experiencing rigor mortis. So we ate Thanksgiving dinner with the full understanding that there was a corpse in the room next door. And after dinner, but before dessert, we heard a knock on the door, and they were like, oh, I guess they're here to pick up the body. And they were like, we're here to pick up the body. We said, oh, cool. And so they took the body and left. There were more tears. There were kind of tears all.
Thank you. It's good.
It is good.
Goodness gracious.
Man, shut your...
Come on, the door!
Do I really have big boobies?
Y'all, I don't know what's going on with my computer. It won't turn on. Y'all got any advice or like...
What? Fuck! Fuck off! I'm on live telly. Fuck off out of it. Stay out of my office. I'm on fucking hell. Fuck off, you little twat. Sorry.
Little pussy belongs to me.
Oh yes, Daddy.